Wiser app, honest review. I'm going to tell you about the Wiser app. Wiser offers 15-minute summaries of non-fiction books across categories like productivity, health, money, and self-growth. You can either read or listen to these summaries, making it convenient for busy users. Many users appreciate the app's concise content and variety. However, some have reported issues such as glitches, audio problems, and unexpected charges during the subscription process. Additionally, there have been concerns about the lack of refund options and unresponsive customer service. In summary, Wiser is a helpful tool for quick learning, especially for non-fiction enthusiasts, but potential users should be cautious about the subscription process and be aware of possible technical issues.